Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets A to Z. Kids colors name. Blue color, blue color. Yellow color, yellow color. Red color, red color. Green color, green color. Yellow ochre color, yellow ochre color. Black color, black color. Kids now coloring alphabets A to Z. Kids firstly draw A. A for apple. A for aeroplane. And use blue color. Blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw B. B for ball. B for bat. Kids now draw C. C for cat. C for car. Kids again use blue color and draw D. D for dog. D for doll. Kids now draw E. E for egg. E for elephant. And use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw F. F for fish. F for fan. Kids now draw G. G for goat. G for glass. Kids now draw H. H for hand. H for helicopter. And use red color. Red color. Kids again use red color and draw I. I for ice. I for ice cream. Kids now draw J. J for joker. J for jackfruit. Kids again use red color and draw K. K for kite. K for king. Kids now draw L. L for lion. And use green color. Green color. M. M for moon. Kids again use green color and draw N. N for nose. N for nest. Kids now draw O. O for orange. O for octopus. And use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. P. P for parrot. P for penguin. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw Q. Q for queen. Kids now draw R. R for rose. And again use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. Kids now draw S. S for sun. S for snake. And use black color. Black color. T. T for teacher. T for tiger. Kids again use black color and draw U. U for umbrella. Kids now draw V. V for van. V for vanilla. And use blue color. Blue color. W. W for wolf. Kids now draw X. X for X-ray. And use blue color. Y. Y for yak. Kids night or Z. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. And use blue color. Blue color. Kids today draw A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.